Welcome back to the garage, and today I'm going to show you how to paint your engine. And we're just going to clean it up a little bit more. We're probably going to put on the oil pump and maybe the water pump, but we'll see. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so we got this side all cleaned up. You're going to want to degrease it. You can pressure wash it, everything, or anything you want to do, really. But once it's all clean, you're gonna get some of this stuff, this duplicate color, and I have the aluminum. So, yeah, I'll show you the finished product. So this is the first coat. You can really see the difference. I'm probably gonna do maybe 3 or 4 coats on this. And then we could admire it. That looks way better. And that was only maybe like a few minutes of painting. But you don't want to make sure you mark off your VIN number. And then I just put tape along the top just to be on the safe side. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. All right, so this is about 4 coats, and you want to do 10 minutes in between each coat, and it will be dry to the touch within an hour. It looks phenomenal. It looks way better than what it used to look like, considering it used to look like this. And we're gonna paint this too, but that'll be another day. But this side's done, and then over here I'm just cleaning up this side. And that side you don't really see, so I might do less layers on that side. And then I'm probably gonna put the new oil pump on and maybe water pump. So therefore I can clean this with degreaser and paint that as well. So that's really the plan today. We're just cleaning up the block and making it look pretty. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Got the front going on, the back is drying. I did 4 coats. And now, in order to paint the front, I'm gonna put the new oil pump on and the new water pump. So if you don't know how to do that, stay tuned. All right, so to put this new oil pump on, just have some gloves because you'll need them. I'm gonna take a razor blade, or you could do a wire brush and clean the surface. And then when you get your new oil pump, you're gonna wanna put the O-ring in here and wipe this down so that it sticks. And we're using the Ultra Grade gasket maker. So we're just gonna put a thin layer on. Also make sure that you got a mallet with you. I haven't opened this in a long time. Underneath. Alright. Now these two 12s are going to be torqued to, I believe, 17 foot-pounds. Hand tighten them all first. And these 10 millimeters are 8 foot-pounds. 10 again. All right, now with the oil pump on, we're gonna tackle the water pump. So you should get a gasket like this, and what you're gonna wanna do is take some more of the gasket maker and put a thin layer on the gasket. And you're also gonna do a thin layer on the block. Now shave this down, as get all the old stuff off as much as you can. And then the bolt should be torqued to 8 foot-pounds, or technically 104 inch-pounds. But let's get to it. All right, so now we have the oil pump on and the water pump. Now I could tape off and then spray in here and make it look like that. But y'all don't really need to see that, it's pretty simple. But if you guys enjoyed this video and you like how the engine's looking, hit a like, subscribe, leave any tips or tricks in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.